مكانا ضيفنا أهلا بك هللت أنوارك أنت بين.
So these are the Kung Fu soccer guys. Wait, take a look at this guy. What about that one?
What?
Cigarette.
No smoking, huh?
What happened? That was weird. What's going on here? Get it! It's some kind of trick. All right, we're ready now. We're a top-ranked team. Let's show them what we're made of. Right. Oh, come on now. But you're not playing fair. Give us a chance to make a goal.
Ang, it's for you.
Who is it?
Well, I'm not afraid of you. It's an optical illusion.
What's the score? 60-0?
Lionhead scored! I scored!
Bring it to soccer. Kung Fu means strength and it means skill. I want to say hello to my parents and my Kung Fu master, but they are all dead. I also want to say hello to Mui. Hi, Mui. It's me. How are you doing? Have you had lunch yet? I want to see you.
If we win this one, we go to the finals!
To the finals!
Don't underestimate the enemy!
Underestimate!
We are going to chop you up and use you for stuffed dim sum. You don't have a prayer. We never lose.
How they fly like that? I think it's special effects.
يا هلا بمن حضر حفلنا له الفخر، جيتهم طل القمر، يا كرام يا برر، يا هلا